You always can get more if you needed it. Okay? All right. I'm gonna go ahead and submerging my bristle into the beige gel. If you feel like you pick up a lot of beige gel or more than you are thinking, you can always wipe your bristle in the plates, so it helps reduce a little bit of the beige gel off from the bristle. Merge really gentle, not pull them. I'm just actually is sculpting it and guide it. I got to see a lot of you doing so good with the Velvetty Gel. It's so amazing. Thanks so much for sharing with us. You see that how easy it is. And then in the meantime, when you are sculpting it, and it will also do its own job, is to get it's really cool in its set level without running everywhere. You can see that it looks like I'm pulling hard on them. Actually, I am not, just really like feather touch it and floating on it, and you can see that how cool and smooth it is. And then we can just remove the extra that you don't need. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and flash here it for 30 seconds. At the cell level. And then when we are like after 30-second key, I'm gonna go ahead and add the nude colors on. Let's add a smaller beads. Ah, thank you, Mika. So pretty. Mika is gonna offer a lot of services with Velvetty Gels and gel extensions on ours, like sister business, which is Glitz Nail Bar and Spa. So if you are watching, just love watching and Glitz Accessories and such, and you have the family or member, the friends that you know is love to get the service at our salon, you know, let us know. Hit on the DM or book appointments with Glitz Nail Bar and Spa, and then Mika would love to see you. All right, so we are going to, I can't wait because she is so good at what she's doing. You start taking appointment in May, so if you have family or friends or anyone's like love to get the services, any services done. anything related to nails, beautiful pedicure and healthy pedicure, Mika can take care of it for you. So now I am go ahead and pick up the probably about the smaller to medium size, because this nails is smaller. Like if you start working with a velvety gel, give it a couple times. When you're working with this, you will see it's so much, it's so easy to control it and to work with in a different designs. I'm gonna let it set it right there. Okay. I love the nude, it's so beautiful. It's perfect color. A little bit of a beige gel, that's how you're using it to manipulating. And just sculpting your velvety gel. So I'm gonna using the tips, submerging the bristle in the beige gels. And then we are going to gentle, it's like taper it and then get closer, tuck it in closer to the cuticles, and then keep your bristle flat. And guide your beads. Keep it flat right here, so how you can do it with blending your ombre. Oh my god, it's so adorable. So now if you want anything else, you can definitely leave it alone. Or if you are going to want to encaps anything, which is like put a little bit of the butterflies, a little bit of glitter, it's the best time to do it now. It's a great thing. I keep blending it, but you see that it looks like I'm just like doing too much with it, but actually it's not at all. Okay. A lot of requests for doing it basics like velvety gels. I love it and enjoy it so much. And then keep in mind, if you feel like you want to add some more, you know, do so. And you can always, instead of, I'm using pure whites, but you can using milky white. If the clients, like say the clients like, Nancy, I just want a little bit like white. I don't want it too much white on it. You can definitely add a little bit. I'm gonna flash key it really quick for 30 seconds. Hold on. If you want anything else, you can do it ombre. You can add it on now. So maybe I should doing it. So now, if you don't want, like I say, you can don't want anything else, you can able to like flash key it. And if you go back, if you want to add more nude ombre on, you can. But if you don't want anything else, well, I mean, yeah, you can like key for flash key for 30 seconds. But if you want anything else, I want just a little bit of the butterflies here. Just a little bit. I'm gonna add just a little bit in. You know, it's still wet. The velvety gel is still wet, so I'm gonna just place it gently. Are you good?
Mm-hmm. That's pretty.
Not too much? You think?
Not too much.
I'm just adding it. You can, hey, you can do dramatic if you want to. I did a lot of velvety gels that I did, so a lot of like dramatic look. All right, so happy with it. So we are going to, and it's cool though, because in the meantime, when you place really a little bit of glitter on, your velvety gel is still continue its salt level itself, which is fabulous because it's gonna make it even better, easier for me to doing it when I cap and when I ship it. All right, here for 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna do is crystal clear right on the top to cap all the glitter, and also is ombre effects. That's the one I'm using. I'm good at spilling stuff, so I'm gonna like put a cap on to make sure that it's not going anywhere, but it stay in there. And then now we're gonna go ahead and using crystal clear. I'll move this too that I did use pure white onion. Crystal clear it is. To cap the nails. And not necessarily, you don't have to do whole entire the nails if you don't want to. You just want to be this part right here, and then wherever you are going to encap. All right, so I'm go ahead and close the lid, the cap for crystal clear, and submerging the bristle in the day gels just a little bit, and blend it, tuck it in a cuticle. Now you can blend it. Keep your bristle parallels flat, and then you can guide your crystal clear velvety gels toward to the center. All right, perfect. Go ahead and cure for 60 seconds.